Hello everybody, Ben the Pat Tester here. Welcome back to my channel, Cater and Pat Testing. Today we are in a dentist and we have come across a server which is down here, and then we've got a network switch there and it looks like a shared network drive as well. So to the untrained eye, to some of you, this may just be, or it may just look like a normal PC that's in an office, and you think, okay, well, I'm going to switch that off and pat testing. But hold it right there, because these server systems, if you're not aware, you've never come across one before, these server systems that's down in an office in a basement of a dentist, this is probably supporting and networked with all of the computers and operations upstairs. So if you were just to go and shut that down or pull the plug out, that would probably disrupt the whole business that you're working in, possibly website, telephone, EPOS systems, all sorts of things. So before you do, stop. Okay, now this is where it gets tricky, because you're at the business, you're doing the pat testing, you're carrying it out, you need to do it. But obviously if the business is in normal working hours, you can't just go switching off network switches and things like that. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to speak to the duty holder, and you're going to have to ask whether those systems can be temporarily switched off. Sometimes they can only be switched off remotely by the IT company that manages the equipment, or you're going to have to come back at a time when the business is closed, and you're going to have to do a managed shutdown and test out of business hours. You see these servers and systems less now in smaller businesses, because they're going more over to cloud-based systems, but you still do see them. Bigger businesses, you'll have a room and there'll be racks of servers and network switches and things like that. So it always needs to be done as part of a managed shutdown and managed test, as per the IT people on site or remotely. So please don't go switching these things off willy-nilly. If you're not sure if it's a server, ask somebody. If it's hidden under like a cupboard there, sometimes there's no monitor attached to this one, as you can see here, because it can be accessed remotely, maybe from a screen upstairs or something like that. So just stop, don't do it, don't test it while you're there until you've sought advice and found out what it is that you're dealing with. Otherwise you'll put yourself in all sorts of trouble, speaking from experience as well. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel as well. I've got over 750 subscribers now, which is absolutely great. So look forward to seeing you on the next video.